Yeah, I saw him take it. Whoa, dude, I just sat my fluke there. I was watching him, Sean. I sat my fluke. Oh, oh! I had. Yeah. Oh no, he broke my lunker. He broke my lunker hunt. Pretty good little fish. These fish are warm, man. This water's like fucking like 80 degrees. Ah! Oh, good thing. I just got excited for another. Oh! What? Dude, we were on him. I'm gonna eat this fish. Dude, this bass. Sean, I need your pliers, dog. This bass has a hook down his throat. That's not mine. I can see it down in there. Wonder if my GoPro will focus. I don't think I have my gun pliers with me. Yeah, I'll have them. You got him. You see him? Yep, that's him. Here, don't go up in there, don't go up in there. Check this out, dude. Something already in it? Would you get him off the branch? It's gonna feel so much better once it's out, buddy. I know right now it doesn't feel too good. Oh, look at that, dude. Out of his throat. Someone else put that in there? Damn. Mwah. Be free, bass. The next time I put my frog in the water, you jump and you get it. Wait, let me GoPro you, letting him go away. Wait, I don't know how to get it to start recording. Honestly, the only way I knew how was to turn it off, but I can't. Here it goes. Oh yeah, live action bassing.